To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the group chat where you want to view the past members. Now tap the group name at the top to open the group info page. You will see the number of group members below the group name. You can either tap on it, or scroll down until you find the members list. Then tap View All. The full list of everyone who is currently in the group will then be displayed. Scroll all the way down. And at the bottom you will find View Past Members. Tap on it. You will then see all the people who left the group or were removed, along with the date and time they exited. Keep in mind, this list only shows members who left or were removed within the last 60 days. This feature lets you quickly track recent departures from a group, helping you stay informed about member changes. So that's how you can view past members in a WhatsApp group.